Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to handle null values in stage table before loaded into fact table in SSIS. Okay, so first I will show my two tables in SQL Server. So this is my stage table and this is my fact table. So right now in the fact table we don't have any data. So there are four records are there in the stage table, and you can see in three columns, discount column and customer email column and delivery date column, there are some null values. Now I want to handle these null values in SSIS. Okay, so in SQL Server there are two functions are there, is null and coalesce. If you want to handle null values, you can use any of these two functions. But here in the SSIS, we can write expressions. Okay. So first I am dragging data flow task. Okay. So here I am taking OLDB source. Since my source data and destination data both are SQL tables. So that is the reason I am taking OLDB source. And here select your database. So here I am selecting my database, test1 database. Okay. And select your table. Sales underscore stage is my table, and these are the columns. So if you want to handle null values in SSIS package, you can use one transformation called derived column. There you need to write expression. Okay. So we want to handle null values on the discount column. So first drag the discount column into expression. So here there is one function called isNull function. IsNull will take expression. So this is the function to handle null values. So I don't want to add new column. I am taking same column. Okay. So here I am taking isNull function. IsNull of, so here I am writing my expression. So I want to make the null values as 0. Okay. So this is how you need to write. Is null, the expression is if the value is null, then I want to make it as a 0. That is the logic. Okay. Next, drag the customer email. So there are some emails out of 4. For 2 customers, email address is showing null value. Instead of that, I want to make it as a no email. Just replace customer email and apply is null. Question mark. So here you can write your text. So my text is here, no email. Okay. And drag customer email one more time. Okay. Next, delivery date. So for 2 of the customers, the delivery date is showing null values. So when there are null values in the delivery date column, I want to consider order date as delivery date. Okay, order date and delivery date both are same. Okay, so at that time you can use delivery date. You can write an expression for delivery date is null of this delivery date. Okay, next I want to, when there is delivery date is null value, I want to make it as a order date. I want to consider order date as a delivery date. Okay, so these are the 3 expressions. So I'm changing replacing this as delivery date. So these are the three different expressions to handle null values in those three columns. Click on OK. So configuration is done. Now you need to select destination. So select your destination table, double click here, and here the same database but table is different. I am taking select sales underscore fact. Sales underscore fact. Now all set. Now once you run the package, you can see sales fact table without having any null values in these three columns: discount column, customer email column, and delivery date column. Okay, so I'm going to run the SSIS package. Right click on data flow task, just execute task. Yeah, so package ran successfully, and check your table. Now you can see. So in the stage table, so I will open it in separate a new query window to compare both stage and fact. So this is fact table and this is stage table. In the discount column you can see, so these two are having null values. Now you can see in the discount column in the fact table they are changed to 0. Okay, the same way in the email column there are two null values are there in the customer email column. So I will make it as a no email. For these two customers have no emails. The same way delivery date, two of the columns are showing null values. So I want to make it as a, instead of null value, I want to consider order date as a delivery date for these two null values. So this is how you need to write an expressions in the SSIS package to handle null values. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.